what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm
Step 1, cleanser. First, now I apply diamond dust cleanser. Apply a little quantity on the skin and gently massage in circular motion on the face and neck for 3 to 4 minutes. It helps in restoring the natural moisture balance of the skin. Step 2. Scrub. After cleansing the skin, apply a small quantity of the scrub on the wet face and neck. Rub gently with fingertips in circular motion for the 4 to 5 minutes, leaving the eye area. It helps in giving antiseptic effect and reduce the blackheads and dead cells. Step 3, massage cream. Gently massage the cream on wet face and neck for 10 to 12 minutes. This cream enriched with the goodness of fresh lemon is not soothing and disinfecting. It is capable of penetrating into the skin layers, adding nourishing oils, deep skin condition and softness to the skin. Step 4, facial gel. Gently massage the gel on the wet face and neck for 5 to 6 minutes. This non-sticky massage gel gives a fresh base, relaxing and cooling effect. It soaks out the sedimented oil, dirt and pollution from the pores, keeping it matte dry, thereby making the skin smoother and shinier. Step 5, face pack. Apply the required quantity of the face pack in a smooth layer on the face. Leave it on 4 to 5 minutes till it dries. This pack helps in improving the skin textures, repairing injured cells and restore the true match of the skin pigment. Gently massage with wet hands to clean. Wash the face thoroughly with water. Now the facial is complete. It is also useful for me. If you also like this facial kit, try it once. It is very good. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching video.